is then considered wastewater.
Wow, that's cool. That's crazy.
I want to get this house.
Yeah.
Like, like.
So it's not. Look up, guys. Y'all didn't see it? The birds? Nice.
Can we go there all day? Go there all day.
Yeah, we're gonna go get food. Come on.
Yeah, let's go get food.
Oh, there's a fish tank in there. That's cool. Oh wow, look at water. Cool, huh? Look at the gator go. Mason, let's roll up.
Close the alligator.
Cool little guys, right? Like dinosaurs.
Oh, no backbones. Daddy, look at this. Is that cicadas? Oh, Daddy, look in here.
That's cool. We'll be back again.
Where are we guys going?
Nice.
Very cool.
This is cool.
Look at the river otter. No, when I was riding my bike
Oh
in the summer,
wow,
I
look,
saw
they
the
got a
river
little sculpture of a gator and the birds and stuff.
otter. No, because last time when I went.
Oh, look at that ant farm.
When I was riding my bike in the summer, I saw the river otter.
I never seen an otter. Oh yeah, I did.
Yeah,
I
because
did see the river. We have otters in Grand Reserve, right?
Yeah, we do. Yeah,
Wow.
you kind of. When I looked at it, we're near the jungle.
Yeah, it feels like it.